I see science as a way of seeing relationships between elements, systems, and life itself. Classrooms becomes most alive when students can experience those relationships, transforming science from abstract ideas into a dialogue with real world. So in the workshop Making Science Truly Matter, using Regen's 3S framework, we designed systems mapping exercise.
Waste, the invisible waste that we are not thinking about it into a qualitative data. So
Through this lens, the workshop became an ecosystem of inquiry, empathy, and action. A space where understanding naturally flowed into caring and caring into giving back to the world that sustain us. So proud of Sister Nivedita University's science students, the cohort that I worked with, for rediscovering that learning is not just understanding the world, but about belonging to it.
I'm Sukhpreet Singh from Physics Department, UG3. So it was a very nice learning experience. The viewpoint that I got in my brain that like I'm one with the environment, the ecology and everything, that was really eye-opening. And the part where you mentioned that we are digging into our capital and not living off of interest, that was like, that really clicked. And that test and the way it was presented, it was like really engaging. And even those questions that you mentioned about Blinkit and those interactive segments, I mean, it was not like you were just reading a script, and it was like actually I was feeling things. I was like understanding the concept and everything. So thank you, ma'am.
Slide on the presentation was very meaningful and informative to us. And as Srijita mentioned earlier, the ecological footsteps, I think we were in a shock that we need so many earths to live the life we are living. And I think it gave us a lot of information about how we are a part of nature and we are not apart from it. Ma'am explained the topic so nicely, and I think it was a great session for us.
I love the way you implemented an innovative project, and I really loved the idea. Thank you, ma'am.
That is the difference I got from here. You have clearly explained us with all the examples. Examples were great. I thought, wow, this example I have never thought about all these things.